Hey everyone, in today's episode we've got some crazy situations that these riders had to deal with. It's always good to learn from other riders' mistakes and I hope this episode serves a valuable lesson. So, check this out and ride safe.
Oh! God damn it. Man. Great. Oh! You good?
Ach du Sch... Oh.
I see sharp left turn. I panic. Just locked up my rear brake. Right here, fell off the bike. From here to there, just slid on my ass.
Any stage 2 or any velocity.
This is one of those moments where the rider didn't stand a chance. An older driver cut the corner and probably never even saw him.
With the full system in the tune. So yeah, man. Oh, what? Dude. That hurt my foot. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Why don't you move your car over here?
I'm sure you're second that, man, but still, keep your wits about yourself. There's traffic coming in and not everyone's going to pay attention.
Yeah, I think I'm good. Christ. Oh, is she in neutral? No.
In this case, the rider managed to stay out of serious trouble and thanks to his quick and clear-headed reaction. Just another example of a driver failing to notice a rider.
Well.
Нет, ты нормально все. Тебя не цепанул?
Ну ты дал, блядь.
From the very start, the driver up ahead was clearly a problem. This group of riders had no idea just how dangerous he could turn out to be.
Shut it, bro. What are you doing? Come here, come here. Come here, bro. What? Alright, prick. What are you beeping for? Yeah, shut up, bro. You won't pull that anyway, little fool. I'm up it. You're taking this to pull out. Yeah, little window up before I little.
Look at him go, free in a world of his own kind, where he can finally reach the full potential. Oh my god, he got hit by a car!
И вот тогда это происходит. Момент, когда дыхание замедляется.
Here is another case where the driver completely ignores an oncoming rider and pulls out in a really unsafe way.
Sorry, homie. Hopefully no traffic comes up behind us and I'm gonna hit the wall if I don't pay attention. Oh my god! You dummy. Was oben schützen. Sie überlegt, oder?